So here we're back in my channel, and as you can see, we're about to open the PS3 Fat Edition. This one is 250 gig. This is a way back old PS3 model, but still usable. And I got some few installed videos, and still I have some games that we need to clean up. And let me introduce you how to do it. Okay, first I'll remove already the cover on top. As a matter of fact, there's a long screws that you need to remove. It's total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including inside. And then the 3-star screw, I mean the 4-star screw, which is I already removed over there. Okay, so once you remove the top cover, as you can see, a lot of rust, dust inside, some spider web, and this one's still functioning. Okay, so I'm about to show you how it looks, what's inside, and I'm going to teach you how to remove and clean the Blu-ray lens inside. Okay, so first you need to carefully disconnect this one because the laser disc lens is inside over here. All right, and then the tools that we need, I have some 31 in 1 electro screwdriver set over here that I was purchased around $5, and this is very usable. It helps me a lot. I open all my devices like mobile devices, PlayStation 3, and then other things, especially using small screws. And this functions helps me a lot because it has different type of screws right here. I'll link down below on my channel so where you can purchase this one, and probably you can get this one as well in sale. So before we start, as you can see on top, 1, 2, 3 Phillips screw. I think it's a small Phillips screw once you're disconnected. So we'll keep the pan, leave it temporarily, and then later on we're going to remove this one as well, including the heat sink at the back, and then everything we need to clean it up, and I'll show it to you. So let me take a picture how it looks. As you can see, from way back 8 years now, there's a built rust. I'm going to focus a little bit, as you can see right there, and then we're going to try to remove this one as well. Okay, take a picture. Okay, I'll see you on later on the next video. Before we remove the top part beside the pan, we need to unscrew the 2 screws on the heatsink, which is this one and that one. So we need to carefully remove this cable 1 and 2, and then we can remove this one. We need to disconnect it everything and remember all the cable connections, so at least we're not gonna harm every circuit board, and carefully remove it nicely. Notice this connector right here. This is a built-in flip eject connector for the ribbon cable, which is this one. Yeah, that one, with the blue tape. And you have to be careful on that one not to pull it out, but keep in mind that you need to lift this one nicely. All right, okay, all right. Notice all the internals, and the hard drive is located under the this reader, which is over here, that we need to clean it up. And this is the hard drive over here, and it's from Toshiba. And the battery capacitor, resistor, and some connections right here. So, and mainly the eject function, and then the power button is right here. It's connected on a single ribbon right there. So we need to remove this one carefully, and then we're going to clean this one as well and disassembly. All right, so basically we need to fix this worn out. It's already worn out, it's not working, the power button. So what I did, I just cleaned it. Probably it can help reduce, because I found a lot of dirty rust stucks right here, and this is the thing. If you notice, it stuck, so it didn't push out, push on right there. So that one we've done, and then next thing we need to open this one to clean the lens. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, the power button that it wasn't working before, now it's kind of push on, push out button now, and it's working as same as the eject button for this. Alright, so now we're going to proceed on this reader, and then we need to remove this rust stain over here. So now before we start, I'm going to show you how to remove this one. So this top gray cover right here, before it has a 3 screw, silver screw right here. We already removed and it's right there. So second thing, wondering it didn't pops out, because underneath we need to remove the 2 screws, Phillips screws right there, one, and the other is here too. Alright, so we already removed the gray top cover, and it's totally has a rust stain in front and even in the inside. So this is the thing most probably causes while our disc is not working properly and it's not reading, because it's totally giving the lenses inside a dirt. So we need to clean everything. So basically this is a mechanical type of plastic which is connected right here. So we have to carefully look upon all the mechanical parts, which is it will not loosen and it won't affect to the movement of the mechanism inside. So once we get inside the disc, which we need to clean, we're going to use a damp cloth, which is the clean cloth, and an alcohol to clean the lens, the Blu-ray lens. So we're going to try it later on if our project is perfectly fine and the game reading this will read. Okay, so as you can see, everything is almost out, and this is the main thing that causes our lens not readable, because of the rust right there. Okay, so basically before we remove this top to see what's underneath, which is the uh, lens of the laser lens that we need to clean up, we need to remove this mini screws right there and the other one on the right, that one. Okay, so I already unscrew, and there's a clip on top. Simultaneously you need to knuckle out that one, press it out, so you can easily remove this one like this. Chanel, look, ta-da! So this is the thing that reads the disc, your gaming disc, that blue lens right there. We need to clean it up and use an alcohol or some damp cloth with alcohol. So yes, it totally needs a cleaning. Alright, so it will read the disc. So aside from giving us protections, I will use an ethyl alcohol. I don't have isopropyl alcohol right here, and then a microfiber cloth to clean this one. Just a little bit spray on that one, which is I did already, and then clean the laser lens just nice and gently, so at least it won't affect all the mechanism and especially the lens. So that's been it. I hope you enjoy our tour how to remove and clean the laser blue lens of the PS3, and then I'll catch you in my next video, and then I will test it out and then I'll show it to you. See you guys. Hope you like and subscribe on my channel. Till the next one, peace.